Yeah.
Damn.
I want to get right there.
Fucking proving a point because you looking over it.
Yeah, ain't that
That's
bad.
close enough.
Ain't that bad. It looks crazy though.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's close enough for me.
That's where he's come from. See, look.
Up there.
See, look. Up there.
I see it.
He was looking down. Now
See if it's anything in the water.
That's a big hole.
Look like all sand.
That's a big chunk he took off. You look at all that.
Yeah.
Daddy.
You still about to do it like that?
It's on my six
Yeah,
of
look
them.
at me that over there. They got all them damn ducks by the door.
He got rice on his back. Got through some rice for him. Because when they got done, they were coming over to the door. They not ugly.
Well, there's skin colors.
What they starting to rally saying, Black lives suck. Black lives suck. What we do? What we do?
I don't know. Like,
I know.
What'd you do, babe? Would you say something about
I
it?
don't know.
Mm-hmm.
Look at that wall. Look at that wall, babe.
Faith. I know what that is. That's that 90 Day Fiance wall.
Yeah, Carlos is coming to see me in 2 weeks.
She saw you. Carlos is coming.
Y'all better get out of here.